Hindi po sa gobyerno bilang Presidential Advisor for COVID-19 Response si Secretary Vince Dizon. Patuloy rin niya ang gagampanan ang kanyang tungkulin bilang Deputy Chief Implementer ng National Task Force Against COVID-19 at Vaccine SAR. Sa kanyang termino bilang BCDA President at CEO, BCDA earned 48 billion in revenues, the highest by far of any administration in only 5 years, and by itself represents almost 40% of total revenues in the last 27 years. Sa panahon ding ito, nag-remit ang BCA ng pinakamataas na amount sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, a total of 34 billion, almost triple that of the previous administration and double the contributions from 1993 to 2010. Nakumpleto din ng BCDA ang dalawang infrastructure flagship projects, ang first phase ng New Clark City at ang world-class Clark International Airport Terminal. The President heaped praises for Secretary Dizon and the BCDA team for these accomplishments, and Secretary Dizon committed to continue the fight against COVID. BCDA Director Aristotel Aris Batuhan will serve as Officer in Charge or OIC. Inappoint din ng Pangulo si Jesus Melchor Vega Hitain bilang kanyang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel.